Hello, my name is Christian Alvarado, and I'm the Academic Technology Services Lead here at San Francisco State University. Today, I'm going to show you how to edit videos in Canvas Studio. Whether you've recorded videos from Canvas Studio directly or uploaded a video from your computer, editing videos is one little thing that you can do to help tighten up your content and make it easily understood by your students. Let's begin by opening up Canvas Studio. After logging into Canvas, you can access Canvas Studio by clicking on the Canvas Studio icon in the global navigation bar on the left. The icon looks like a video player with little tentacles. Next, locate the video you want to edit. Select the video's three dots menu and choose Edit Media. The video editing screen will load. Note that depending on the length of your video, the editor may take a bit of time to finish loading before you can continue. Let's take a look at the layout of the video editor. The biggest part of the interface is the video player itself. This will show you what is currently being played back. Next is the video timeline. This shows where you are in the video, with thumbnails to give you a quick visual preview of the content at that specific point in time. Finally, at the bottom are the playback and editing controls. From left to right, the first control is a play button. Pressing this button will let you play and pause the video. Next to the play button is the current time, which shows you where in the video you currently are, and the total playback time of the entire video. The next two buttons are the main ways to edit the video: cut and trim. Both of these buttons let you remove sections of the video, but in slightly different ways. We'll come back to how these work in a bit. Following the two editing buttons are undo and redo. After that are zoom out and zoom in, which zoom in on the timeline rather than the picture on the screen. For example, if you have a longer video and you want to make a more precise edit, you can press zoom in until the timeline shows smaller increments of time to allow you to get closer to the exact time you want to interact with. Now that we've gone over the editing interface, let's actually edit some video. This example video is one I recorded earlier. There's a couple of things I want to cut out, and I want to tighten up the beginning and end so that there's not so long of an awkward pause before I start and end speaking. To adjust the beginning and end of a video, I will use the Trim tool. Pressing Trim will add a handle to the beginning and end of the video. I'm going to adjust the beginning of this video so it starts right when I start talking. Click, hold, and drag the handle at the beginning of the video to adjust. Note that as I do so, the player above gives me a preview of where I am in the video, so I know where to adjust. Anything that will be removed is highlighted in red. This looks just about right, so I'm going to work on the end of the video now. Same as before, I'm going to click, hold, and drag the handle at the end of the video, looking at the preview that I'm shown to make sure that I'm not removing more than I think I should be. Any areas that will be removed are highlighted in red. Once I'm happy with my edits, I will click on Confirm Trim to apply them to my video. During the middle of my video, I had to test a marker because it was dry, and I want to cut that out. Using the timeline, I can click on the portion of the video where I see myself testing the marker. Once I've found it, I can click on Cut. This will add a bar right where I was looking at the timeline with two handles that I can drag out on either end. I'm going to drag out the two handles to highlight the whole section I want to cut out. Note that the portion of the video that will be removed is highlighted in red. Once I'm happy with what I've selected, I will click Apply Cut to apply the edit to my video. Once I'm happy with all the edits to my video, I can click Save in the bottom right corner to save my newly edited video to my Canvas Studio library. Applying quick edits to your Canvas Studio videos is one little thing you can do to up the quality of the content you're presenting to your class. Remember that both students and instructors have access to Canvas Studio. Students who do not otherwise have access to video editing tools can use Canvas Studio to both record and edit any videos that they need to submit to assignments in class. For any information on this or any other technology, please visit the Academic Technology Support Documentation website at athelp.sfsu.edu. and be on the lookout for more videos on one little thing.